Hello guys, today's video I want to teach you how you can repair your battery connector without rework station. We are fixing this battery connector with lighter, so just calm and watch gently. Please don't forget to subscribe my channels, please, for more videos. So we have to find our lighter. This lighter. Have you seen it? This lighter. So as you can see, so we are removing the battery connector here into this working phone. This one is condemned phone, as you can see. So we have, because of the lights, it's aluminum paper tape. As you can see, it's where you can get this one. Just go to AliExpress and order it. This one is aluminum tape, as you can see. So you are going to use this one to prevent all the mouthpiece, earpiece, the charging points. So let's start. Stop. Now you have to prevent all the mouthpiece, earpiece, and the charging point with aluminum tape. This is it. As you can see it. If you don't have aluminum tape, you can also use this paper tape as well. Can you see it?
If you are busy, forget it. If you wipe me, I will wipe my own back.
You have to guide this place too because of the carbon. This is it. So now as you can see, it has removed it. As you can see, it has removed it. This is the bad one. We remove in the working phone, as you can see. So this is the one we are using. We are using this one now, as you can see. So you have to remove this one. No need of protecting the charging point of the scrap phone. This one is just scrap, so no need of protecting it.
take join now.
I'm coming.
You are going to put it under the phone so that it won't spoil the battery connector.
That's not plus 20.
This is the working one. This is the working battery connector. This is it, as you can see. So now
I'm not cutting, I'm just.
carry your liquid lead. This is what we call liquid lead. So you have to put it gently.
Because this is for my master. Anytime where I'm not supposed to give him 175.
Gently.
They do better. I don't see.
So after putting it, now put the battery connector,
Give my 200.
place it properly.
Give me 200. I'll go buy something to give you. 50
You
now.
have to place it.
Stop.
Now
Hey, I don't see you give me my 200. Let me go and buy something.
shift this one a little.
I have one condition. Go back to
Put your lighter under the working phone.
If this man did not collect this one, I swear to God.
Have you arrest me?
Shift it back a little.
Hey, how much you go give?
If you don't have reward station, you don't worry at all. Just go and buy your lighter. Exactly like the one I'm using. As you can see, this lighter is very useful for engineer work. So as you can see, it has already.
If this man don't collect that, if you waste my strength.
You need to adjust it a little. You need to adjust it a little. I need to hold this. Yes, I can see the work is now done. See, it's done. So this is time for testing. So now you have to watch the carbon of the lighter. So you have to wash it. Now sorry. All the three legs at the back of the batch connector, you have to resolder it. Carry your soldering iron. Now you have to resolder the legs at the back of the battery connector. Have you seen it? So it has now worked. Have you seen it? It has worked. So that is all the processing. Thanks.